Today, I'll show you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. If one of your extensions is causing problems, slowing down Chrome, or changing the way websites work, the good news is that you don't have to remove it completely. Google says you can go to Manage Extensions and simply turn an extension off. That disables it without uninstalling it, so you can turn it back on later if you need it again. If you're using Chrome on a computer, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Google's official help says this is the main place where you can control installed extensions. Once you're there, find the extension you want to disable and switch its toggle off. As soon as the toggle is off, that extension stops running in Chrome. There's also another quick way to reach the same place. You can type chrome://extensions in the address bar and press enter. That opens the extensions page directly, where you can turn any extension on or off. This is often the fastest method if you already know what you want to disable. Google's extension management guidance points users to the same extensions page for controlling extension behavior. Now here's something important to know. Disabling an extension is different from removing it. When you disable it, Chrome keeps the extension installed along with its settings so you can re-enable it later. If you click Remove, that uninstalls it completely instead. Google clearly separates these two options in its Chrome extension help. If Chrome says an extension was disabled automatically, Google says that can happen when an extension is considered unsafe or doesn't meet Chrome's requirements. In that case, Chrome may turn it off to protect your data while browsing. One more thing to remember is that regular Chrome on Android and iPhone does not support extensions the same way desktop Chrome does, so these extension disabling steps are mainly for Chrome on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chromebook, and that's how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.